big news coming in at this point of time. It's a big announcement. Rahul Gandhi, as speculated, has officially chosen to retain Raebareli seat and give up the Wayanad seat. Meanwhile, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is going to contest from Wayanad. Is the big breaking news coming in? My colleague Anand Singh is joining us on this breaking news. Anand, as expected, Rahul Gandhi is going to go in for the much desired, the much generational Raebareli seat.
Yeah, look, soon after the meeting at Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's residence ended, where Sonia Gandhi, Kharge, K.C. Venugopal and Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi all were present during the meeting. So after the meeting of 1.5 hours, the Gandhis came out and along with Kharge made the announcement that Rahul Gandhi has decided, as it was suggested by the party leaders looking at the family legacy of the Gandhi family and their connection with Raebareli. So it has been decided that he will retain the seat of Raebareli, whereas his sister and the party's General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will be making her poll debut from the seat of Wayanad. And even after deciding the seat, Rahul Gandhi said that he will be readily available for both the seats, for the people of both the constituency, whether it is Wayanad and whether it is Raebareli. So he will be sending his love, and he will be also visiting Wayanad even if he leaves the seat of Wayanad, as his sister will be retaining that seat and she will be going to contest elections from there for the first time and making her electoral debut. So he said that he will be connected with both the seats that the Gandhi family had, Rahul Gandhi had won from the Wayanad and Raebareli in 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Back to you.
All right, let's listen to what Rahul Gandhi also said.
1 minute. Sorry, sir. Cut. मेरा रायबरेली से और वायनाड से इमोशनल कनेक्शन है। पिछले 5 सालों में मैं वायनाड का एमपी था और वायनाड के सब लोगों ने, हर पार्टी के लोगों ने प्यार दिया, तो उसके लिए मैं दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं और पूरी ज़िंदगी उसको याद रखूंगा। प्रियंका वायनाड से चुनाव लड़ेगी, मगर मैं भी पीरियोडिकली वायनाड जाऊंगा और जो वायदे हमने वायनाड को किए थे उनको हम पूरा करेंगे। रायबरेली का पुराना रिश्ता है, काफ़ी खुशी हो रही है कि मैं उनको फिर से रिप्रेजेंट करूंगा, मगर आसान निर्णय नहीं था, मुश्किल निर्णय था क्योंकि जुड़ाव दोनों के साथ है। सो I have an emotional relationship with both Raebareli and the people of Wayanad, and the last 5 years as member of Parliament of Wayanad have been a fantastic experience, a very enjoyable experience. The people of Wayanad stood with me. The people of Wayanad gave me love and affection. Every single person, regardless of party, they gave me support, love and affection. They gave me energy to fight in a very difficult time. So I will never forget that. I want everyone in Wayanad to know that Priyanka is going to fight the election in Wayanad, but I am going to be a frequent visitor to Wayanad, and I am going to be available to the people of Wayanad, and the commitments that I have made, we will stand by them and we will try and deliver all those commitments. She's going to fight the election. I'm confident she's going to win the election, and she's going to be a very good representative for the people of Wayanad. People of Wayanad can think about it like this. You have now 2 members of parliament. One is my sister and one is me.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.